A question that comes up often in workers' compensation for injured workers who don't have an attorney is, do I need an attorney? When this system started 100 years ago, the idea was that you didn't need an attorney. If you had an injury at work, you got treatment, you got paid some benefits if you were off work. If you had permanent disability, you got paid benefits for those, and you went about your life. Of course, as the years go by, everything gets more complicated. The area of workers' compensation law can be very complicated. Attorneys work often to stay up to date on the newest statutes that come out. The labor code is always being revised. New cases come out, and the best arguments to make on behalf of your client, both the applicant attorney and the defense attorney, those are always changing based on changes in statute and case law. So the bottom line, do you need an attorney? That's something that really only you can answer. If it is a very straightforward case, you may not need an attorney to represent you. If it's more complicated, if there's likely trial on the horizon, if the insurance company has denied your case, if the injury is more significant or more severe, or if there's problems getting treatment authorization, you may be better served by having an attorney rather than trying to go it on your own. I will say one of the reasons I make these videos on this channel is to help injured workers who don't have an attorney. Some don't have an attorney because they're unable to find one. Some don't have an attorney because they just want to go it on their own. They want to represent themselves. So be it. Hopefully these videos help. If you believe you need an attorney, I think the best thing for you to do is to reach out to some attorneys. Most attorneys will offer a free consultation. 15, 30 minutes, you and the attorney can sit down, get to know each other, go over some of the facts of the case. The attorney can let you know if he or she thinks they can be of benefit to you. You can get a feel for the attorney and perhaps the staff. Find out if you think you're going to be a good fit. If you retain an attorney, it's probably going to be a long relationship. Workers' compensation just goes slow. So you may be together for 6 months. You may be together for several years. So you want to find an attorney that you're comfortable with and that you think you can work well with, potentially over an extended relationship. So the best thing to do, reach out to a few attorneys, talk to a few. You may want to go to the State Bar website. You can look for certified specialists in workers' compensation in your area. That will at least direct you to attorneys that have several years of experience and have been certified as specialists by the State Bar of California. You don't necessarily have to retain an attorney who's a certified specialist, but you may be more comfortable with that option since they generally have more experience and have proven themselves to the State Bar by taking a test with the California State Bar. But probably the best thing to do, talk to a few attorneys, find out if they believe you need an attorney, see if you find a good fit. The attorney may want to represent you. If you want to retain the attorney, you can pursue that option. If you end up not pursuing that option, then ideally we'll have videos on this channel that can help you represent yourself. If you have questions, so you've reached out to an attorney, you're not going down that path for whatever reason, and you have questions that you haven't seen answered on this channel yet, reach out to us and let us know. We'll film a new video for you and see if we can answer those questions as well.